The folding force is too small, when the folding wrench can be easily opened. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to loosen the screw on the top of the folding shaft. First, use a 6 mm open-ended wrench to secure the folding shaft, and then use a 10 mm open-ended wrench to loosen the two nuts. Turn the folding shaft towards the left handlebar direction. Test the opening and closing of the folding wrench, and adjust it so that a relatively large amount of force is required to open and close the folding wrench. After securing the folding shaft, first tighten the inner nut. Apply thread, locking adhesive to the threads. Tighten the outer nut. Gently tighten the screws on the top of the folding shaft. The folding force is excessive when the folding wrench is too tight to open by hand. Wrap the wrench with a towel. Use a wrench to pry open the folding wrench. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to loosen the screw on the top of the folding shaft. First, use a 6 mm open-ended wrench to secure the folding shaft, and then use a 10 mm open-ended wrench to loosen the two nuts. Turn the folding shaft in the direction of the right handlebar. Test the opening and closing of the folding wrench and adjust it to an appropriate opening and closing force. After securing the folding shaft, tighten the inner nut first. Apply thread, locking compound to the threads. Tighten the outer nut. Gently tighten the screws on the top of the folding shaft.